I am not ready to be an adult. Like, I can't. I look rough. I have COVID. Whoa. Like, come home from Albufeira. I get home 2 a.m. Saturday morning, okay? I pass out. I wake up Sunday morning and I'm like, my throat hurts, but I'm like, okay, it's probably just like after like holiday, like flu or something. And then one of my friends messages to say she got COVID. And now I have it. And it's currently Thursday. I was supposed to start my job today, like first every day. I'm not doing great. I did, however, watch a whole K-drama, which I haven't done since like 2020, 2021. So that's great. I watched Business Proposal because of K-pop Demon Hunters. Anyway, I'm just kind of like, I'm just dying. This is me just complaining because I love to complain. Oh, this is stressful. I've been sent on a mission to get coffee for me and my manager. He keeps just giving me his card and sending me to get coffee. I love it. On the second trip of the day, I've been sent to go get milk for us so we can have more coffee, which is great. I almost cannot separate cookies. Body. They better be happy with it. Bloody my jeans.